Hey, Masa, good job on doing these. That's a lot of work. There are 6 that I'm going to go over. And so I'll put them on the document camera so you can see them. The biggest issue, I think, is the negative numbers, knowing when an answer is negative or adding and subtracting negative numbers. It's tough. The best way to conquer that is to practice, practice, practice. So do let me know if you would like some exercises in just dealing with negative numbers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. All right, let's take a look at the ones I want to go over. Let me switch the camera. All right. So the first one was number 14, which was -6, -6x plus 8, parentheses, 4. And so, oh shoot, I don't have your answers handy. Oh, well, you'll know what your answers are. So you're going to take that 4 against each of the pieces inside the parentheses. 4 times -6 is -24x. And 4 times 8 is 32. Seems to me like you got that one correct. Maybe I wrote down the wrong one. So do check. That's number 14. And then we'll do number 17. And that is, let me move this up, sorry. That is 8 minus 2x times 9. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times -2x is -18x. And I think that one, I think it was the 72 was wrong. I should have pulled your answers up at the same time. I wrote them down on a separate piece of paper. Let's do number 21. And 21 is 3 minus 6x times -8. And we've got -8 times 3 is going to be -24. -8 times -6x is going to be positive. 6 times 8 is 48x. So when you're multiplying two negatives, they turn positive. Let me show you this funny little, you may have seen it before. This is only for multiplying and dividing negative numbers. That's it. It does not work for adding, subtracting. And that is, good guy goes into town. It is good for the town. The bad guy goes into town. It is bad for the town. The good guy leaves town. Also bad for the town. And bad guy leaves town. Good for the town. Again, only for multiplying and dividing. So positive times a positive or positive divided by a positive is positive. Negative times a negative or negative divided by a negative, the answer is positive. If the figures are mixed, your answer is negative. All right, then after 21, I had 27. And 27 was -4 plus 3x times -8. And -8 times -4, that's your bad guy leaves town, good for town. So it's going to be positive. That's going to be positive 32. And then -8 times 3 is going to be -24x. All right, and then I had number 28. And that was -5 times 1 minus 11x. So -5 times 1 is still -5. -5 times -11 is positive 55x. And the last one was number 32. And that one was -3 times x plus 4 minus 2 plus 3x. Nice long one. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times 4 is -12. Now you are done with this part. So ignore that because you're done with it. Now you've got -2 or -2 plus 3x. That's the key there, is don't forget that negative. That hits the 2 and the 3x. So it's -2 minus 3x. This one's a little tougher because it's longer and you've got that sign in the middle. So now you combine like terms. -3x and -3x is -6x. And then -12 minus 2 is -14. Perfect. Good job on these. You're getting them. It's great. All right, I'll talk to you soon.